Welcome to Kosha's Ayurvedic Self-Care Ritual Series. We are honored to support your journey with the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda and simple shifts to a healthier mind and body. I am Peg Trahy. I am an esthetician and I am a yoga teacher. And I want to talk to you about the psychological benefits of one of my favorite poses I like to practice when I feel stressed or anxious, maybe emotionally out of balance, or just plain tired. Vaparita Karina, or in yoga Sanskrit, means inverted action, or most commonly known as legs up the wall pose. It's a restorative posture that aids in contentment and repose. As the nervous system is soothed, our mind is relaxed. Because of this pandemic, we all are feeling some level of stress and anxiety. When the legs are stretched up on the wall, higher than the heart, gravity can help the circulation of both blood and lymphatic fluids. This pose is usually practiced towards the end of a yoga class. However, it's beneficial on its own too. After I am upside down for a few minutes, I feel calmer, my mind feels clearer, and I am more productive with the rest of my day. Cindy Lee, author, artist, and yoga teacher, states, "Its true greatness is positive results come from doing less." Although legs up the wall pose is safe for most individuals, it's always best to consult your medical professional first. Materials that you may need are a yoga mat, but that's completely optional. You could have a yoga bolster, or if not, you can have blankets that are folded and maybe even a rolled up towel. There are many variations to legs up the wall, and I am going to demonstrate a simplified restorative option. So to begin with, find yourself on your mat or on your carpet or floor with a bolster or a blanket folded up. And depending on your body type, you will need to layer your blanket or maybe not have a blanket at all. It's really up to you and how you feel once you get into the pose. And then come to sit at the end of your blanket or your bolster and start to turn, just a quarter turn, with your hands and arms helping to support your back and your head. Slowly bring your legs up the wall and then gently bring your back and your head onto your mat. And then just notice how you feel. The blanket should be underneath your pelvis. And if you're a little bit tight behind your legs, you can scoot yourself away from the wall a little bit so that your legs are straight and you feel relaxed. You may need to place a blanket underneath your head or your shoulders, or maybe even a rolled up towel underneath your neck. I know for myself, this is a great position for me. So from here, I'm going to just reach my arms out, palms facing up, or sometimes I like to bring one hand to my heart and one hand to my belly. And just breathe in and out through the nose, nice even inhales and exhales. Slow, rhythmic breathing. You can stay here anywhere from 2 to 15 minutes. And then when you're ready to come out, bend your knees and slowly just roll over to one side. Use the support of your hands to slowly bring you up to a seated position. And stay here for a moment to just take a couple normal natural breaths in and out before you stand up. So to end this, just be sure that you practice safely and mindfully. You can practice this pose every day if you want, and you can build up the amount of time each day or whenever it feels right to you. The time you take to learn and incorporate this practice will ripple outward. May you be balanced, healthy, and happy.